If you're experiencing login failures on the IRS e-file system, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you regain access smoothly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or incorrect capitalization. Step 2. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes stored data can cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Make sure your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not be compatible with the IRS e-file system. Update to the latest version and try again. Step 5. Contact IRS support. If you still cannot log in after trying the above steps, reach out to IRS customer support for assistance. They can provide further guidance and help resolve any technical issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix login failures on the IRS e-file system. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from IRS support.